Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Cowsar Ice Maker cleaning instructions. For first time or the clean procedure has not been running for a long time, it is highly recommended to run this procedure at first. Before cleaning procedure, please make sure the water drain cap has been inserted into the appliance, otherwise it will not work properly. Second, press I/clean button for 5 seconds. Ring indicator light flashes white and it will run cleaning procedure for 15 minutes and then automatically exit. Press this button again during the cleaning procedure, it will exit immediately. Third, after cleaning procedure, remove the top cover and the ice basket. Rinse the main water reservoir and the second water reservoir. Then move the appliance to the edge of the desktop. Make sure that the appliance is placed steady. Place a water container under the appliance. Remove drain cap from the bottom. Dirty water will drain into the water container. Then reinsert the drain cap. This is a tips for you. Remove the top back cover by pulling up the front transparent cover gently. Change water in the water receiver every 24 hours to ensure a reasonable hygiene level. If the unit is not to be used, drain all water and dry the water reservoir. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.